is up, everybody? Welcome back for this week's Slay Sunday. So for this look, I wanted to hit my girl Jinx from the Arcane series that came out on Netflix. Gosh, was that last year or 2 years ago now? It might have been 2 years ago at this point. Either way, great show. Loved that show. And her character is so unhinged. Anyway, so starting with this look, the character doesn't really wear like a whole lot of makeup. What I'm doing right now, I'm just taking my Beauty Bay Nude Matte palette, and I'm taking that brown shade, and I'm basically creating bags, because she got them bags, okay? They're designer bags, but girl is tired. So I'm pretty much just taking a fluffy e.l.f. brush, and I am just applying that brown shade on my lower lash line and, you know, dragging it down to really add to the effect. Now I'm going in with that slightly lighter brown shade, and I'm taking that same e.l.f. fluffy brush and just applying that kind of like as a transition shade. Again, like I said, this makeup look is very minimal, to be honest. The makeup look is minimal, but she does wear a lot of eyeliner. So I'm taking that black shadow in the palette and my e.l.f. angled brush, and I'm creating my wing that way. I guess maybe not as much of a wing, but I just wanted it to have that kind of smokier effect. So that is why I'm using the shadow instead of my actual eyeliner pencil. I did use my eyeliner pencil though on my waterline. I swear, stuff kept getting in my eye on this day. I don't know what was going on. It was like my eyelash or something, but it was annoying me. But yes, again, just kind of refining that line. I wanted it to look a little bit more smudgy, but either way, I added my lower lash line eyeliner, and I added my mascara and the lashes. So now it's time for the lip. As you can see, I was kind of playing around trying to figure out what lip I wanted to do. She doesn't wear a lip this dark, but I liked how it looked, especially once I had the wig on and everything. So I'm just taking my plum lip liner from Kiss, and then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild matte lip in the shade Vamp It Up. I have not busted this one out in a minute. I kind of forgot how much I actually like that shade, because it's not quite a black, it's just like a very vampy deep purple vibes, especially now that we're in fall. I really forgot how much I like this lipstick, and for it to just be like $2 or $3, however much it was whenever I got it, not bad at all. Good quality. All right, and that completes the makeup look, friends. Now I just got to do the final transformation, and voila, there she is. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, after having the wig and everything on, I might actually go as Jinx for real for Halloween one year, because I was really vibing with the wig and everything, the costume. And those braids are long as fuck because her hair goes to the floor. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I'll be back next week with another look, friends. Bye, you guys.